Did you know there's a bird that spends almost its entire life in the sky? Meet the common swift. These aerial acrobats take flying to a whole new level. They eat, sleep, and even mate while flying. Once a swift takes off from the ground, it might not land again for years. Researchers have tracked their flights and found that they cover millions of miles without a break. It's like they live in the clouds, only coming down to nest once a year. This ability lets them avoid predators and makes them one of the most efficient flyers. Amazing, right? That's the extraordinary life of the bird that never lands. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. We post a new video every single day. Also check out our apps at bitlion.us.